Sam for Sam's Detailing, and today we're going to be talking about the new glass sealant. Totally awesome product to improve visibility during the rainy months here in England, or anywhere in the world actually. Really easy to apply and use. Make sure you've got a clean window to begin with, whether you want to clay it, polish it, whatever you need to do, prep that window, get it absolutely perfectly clean. Get some glass cleaner on those wipers. Personally, I prefer to use new wipers if I'm applying glass sealant, but give those wipers a thorough clean, and then begin to apply it. Really simple. Get it onto the applicator, apply it to the windscreen, nice even coverage, wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to cure, and then buff it off thoroughly. If you've left it on too long to cure, not a problem, a bit of glass cleaner and it will come straight off. Really easy to use, super hydrophobic, windscreen, back windows, side windows, whatever you want to use it, get it on there, improve the visibility.